Good morning, students. I'm Ravi Kumar, Halwasia Vidya Vihar. Today, study is chapter 5. In a previous video, studies characteristics of a cell, plasma membrane and nucleus of the cell. Today explain third characteristics, that is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, before cytoplasm explain protoplasm. Protoplasm is a substance which is present in a cell, including plasma membrane, including cell membrane and the fluid-like materials, fluid substances, jelly-like material that presents inside the cell. All are combinedly known as a protoplasm. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the part of a protoplasm. It is present inside the cell, inside the plasma membranes, and excluding nucleus. Such jelly-like materials, fluid-like materials known as a cytoplasm. Cytoplasm consists tiny organelles, that is also called tiny organ, which is present inside the cytoplasm. So it is also known as cytoplasmic body, and it performs the particular functions. And these cytoplasmic bodies performs specific functions, and that specific function helps in a metabolic activity of a cell, and it is necessary for sustaining life of a cell. Some organelles are present in a cell, inside the cell, such as endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, mitochondria, plastids, and vacuoles. These are ribosomes. These are some common organelles, and it explains when draw a structure. First, draw a structure. A structure, before drawing a structure, some points which is keep in a mind, and such organelles, diagram of the organelle which is drawn inside the cell, and then explains. For example, in a typical animal cell, the freehand forms the cell, structure of a cell, freehand. ठीक है, इसको बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? फ्रीहैंड से बनाएंगे. और फर्स्ट हमारा देखिए, हमने पढ़ा है न्यूक्लियस. In an animal cell, nucleus presents in a center is double membrane. Double membrane is present inside the cell. Nucleus consists of the fluid substance, that is the nucleoplasm, and the organelle dot-like structures is present, that is the nucleolus. That nucleolus synthesize proteins, ribosomes, and is also RNA. And thread-like structure, that is called the chromatin presents. Level the such. First is nuclear membrane. nucleoplasm, nucleoplasm, chromatin, chromatin, and nucleolus, nucleolus. These four level. अब अदर ऑर्गेनली, सभी ऑर्गेनली को बनाएंगे. फर्स्ट इज एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. दिस इज द ट्यूबुलर स्ट्रक्चर. Tubular structures near the nuclear membranes, and it is also presents is known as endoplasmic reticulum. Surface of endoplasmic reticulum presents ribosomes. इसके सरफेस पर क्या होगा? Ribosomes. Ribosomes are present. Ribosomes, that is called protein factory. Protein factory. First draw endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, or it is known as a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. No smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and it is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Mitochondria. This presents in many numbers. Mitochondria, rod-like structure, double membranes. Double membranes are these outer membrane, that is smooth, and insides double membranes inside the nucleus. First is outer membrane, and second inwards folded, that is the inner. ये mitochondria है. Golgi complex. Golgi complex, that is a step. This Golgi complex. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are present in a single, and the other, that is centrioles. He presents near the nucleus. Is present, and fluid substances are present. Fluid substances are present inside the cell. Named lysosomes. Lysosomes. Rough endoplasmic and RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. This SER, a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Mitochondria. 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 complex. Golgi complex and plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. Lead substance that is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. कम से कम हम लोग लेवलिंग करेंगे. मेन ऑर्गेनेल देखिए, ये है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. इट इज कॉल्ड पावर हाउस. रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, लाइसोसोम्स, गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स, and the in animal cell also presents the centriole. Centrioles are present. Centrosomes. न्यूक्लियर membrane, न्यूक्लियोलस, क्रोमोटीन एंड अदर. ये हमारा डायग्राम है एनिमल सेल, टिपिकल एनिमल सेल. अब इसके साथ आप यह ध्यान रखिए, जो हमारे बुक में बना हुआ है उसका भी हम प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये हमारा कॉमन टिपिकल है जिसमें हम अलग अलग को दिखाएंगे और उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? अब इसके बाद हम दूसरा एक और टिपिकल सेल बनाते हैं जो प्लांट सेल्स. प्लांट सेल के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, इसको अब कर देता हूं. प्लांट सेल, टिपिकल प्लांट सेल्स having the fixed shape, cell wall, and inside the cell walls membranes are present. That membrane is called plasma membrane. Membrane is called plasma membrane. ये आपका आउटर जो पार्ट है ये क्या हो जाएगा, सेल वॉल. Cell wall and this layer, that is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. Nucleus presents in a site. This is due to large size vacuoles are present in a plant cell. Plant cell के अंदर large size vacuoles present होते हैं. ठीक है. अब इनको के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, न्यूक्लियस कहां होगा, पुश हो जाता है साइड में, तो साइड में हमारे यहां पर न्यूक्लियस बनाते हैं. न्यूक्लियस ठीक इसी तरह से डबल मेम्ब्रेन इनसाइड फ्लूइड सब्सटेंसेस आर प्रेजेंट, न्यूक्लियोप्लास्ट एंड जेनेटिक मटेरियल आल्सो प्रेजेंट इन थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. इट इज द न्यूक्लियस. ये हमारा क्या हो गया, न्यूक्लियस. And the large size vacuoles are present in a that filled with a fluid substance. Your vacuoles. And the mitochondria mitochondria is and also ये हो गया आपका माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। Mitochondria and the other, that is many number of plastids or chloroplast presents. Chloroplast inside ये स्टैक करेंगे ये हमारा हो गया, दैट इज क्लोरोप्लास्ट। And vacuoles, chloroplast. These presents, that is called the Golgi complex, or it is also known as dictosomes. Name हम देंगे Golgi complex, और इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Dictosomes. Other organically lysosomes are also present, and the fluid substances present in it. Endoplasmic reticulum, that is present in a and consist of ribosomes. Ribosomes are also present. The endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is present. A smooth RER, SER, and the fluid substances are present here. Chloroplast, lysosomes, and the fluid substances, that is the cytoplasm. In this way, level the plant cells. This is the typical plant cells. Main parts, nucleus, present in a side, large size vacuoles, mitochondria, and chloroplast, that is also part of the plastids. These Golgi complex, that is also known as a dictosomes. SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes. These are the parts of a plant cell. In this way, draw the structure of a plant cell and animal cell. In a previous video, explain all organelles present in a plant cell and animal cells. Main organelle are rough endoplasmic reticulum. Second, Golgi complex. Third, lysosomes. Fourth, mitochondria. Fifth, plastids. And sixth, vacuoles. Clear?